Okay, today we are reviewing the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef. We're doing a redo video from our last one. And it looks like it cooks meals, snacks, and desserts within minutes. So let's give it a try. We're gonna be making an omelet with onions, cheese, and meat. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, first thing you wanna do is read all the instructions and all the warnings. One of the things you don't wanna do is you don't wanna latch this closed. This is strictly for storage only, all right? But you'll read that in the warnings. This thing wipes clean. It's great for college students going back to school. You can pick this up and in the dorm room, perfect gift. The 5-Minute Copper Chef comes with a spatula, a recipe booklet. Okay, step one, once you plug it in, it starts preheating. So you wanna make sure we preheat it. It's on a red light. When it goes to green light, we're gonna start cooking our meat and our onions. And in 5 minutes, we'll be eating. You can throw the onions in if you want to. There you go. Perfect. Take your spatula. That's what it's for. Move your stuff around. You're going to cook this for about a minute. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is put your eggs in. So let's do that right now. Put some cheese in. And cook for 2 more minutes. Okay, Google, give me a timer for 2 minutes. A little browning on the edges. That's what the spatula's for, to pull it out. And there is a perfect omelet right there. Look at that. Is that great? This omelet has onion, ham, cheese in it. I'm pretending I'm a college student right now. Well, that was perfect. 5-Minute Chef. Link down below if you want to get one. And I will see you on the next episode. I love you. Bye-bye.